Hi guys, I am Thakur. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is just like the last month's video. It's Amazon beauty haul. All products are affordable and these are some of my favorites and some new buys based on the reviews on Amazon. I got some new products. So yes, I'm excited. Let's go with the haul. So this is the first item I got. This is from L'Oreal Paris. It is their deep conditioning mask. I have tried it before and it suits my hair so well and it makes my hair really shiny. It's noticeable difference than the other conditioners I use. It smells so good also and it's super affordable. So yes, definitely a repurchase, and I'll keep buying this until I find some alternative to this. For now, this is the one. And Diwali sale, yeah, we got some deals, so yeah, this is the first one. Second item, you have seen it in the last video as well. If you haven't seen that video, by the way, do check that out. It is like my favorite sunscreen from Nivea. It's basically what I use for my body, but it is great for your face as well. I've tried it once in a while when I miss my skin, my face sunscreen at home. So it works for moisturizing as well, but it doesn't make my skin oily because mine is towards oily. So I do not wear very greasy things on my face. But this is just fine, and it's SPF 50 plus 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 plus, which is really good protection considering Indian weather and all. Next item, this is also a repurchase, guys. I have been getting this from a long time. This is a Forest Essentials Kashmiri Saffron and Neem cleanser, and it is a really nice delicate cleanser. It smells so good. I have the full size of it at home, but I'm traveling soon, so I got the travel size. I use it once a day, after gym preferably, but at morning I use some other cleanser. But yeah, this is for my trip. It's gonna be for both the washes, morning and PM. It smells great as well. I love it. So two products from the Minimalist. So it is like the indie brand which got so much hype in the recent past, and I wanted to try these products, especially the SPF. And when I saw they also have a hair growth serum, I wanted to try this as well. And yes, for these I will give you a review because these are new purchases based on the reviews on Amazon. Again, I'm quite excited to try the hair growth actives 18%. It is a hair serum which you apply on your scalp and you leave overnight before hair wash day. So yes, I will be using it before trip, and afterwards I'll come back and then I'll continue using it and I'll give you a review in like few weeks. So this is the SPF 50 sunscreen. It had great reviews. Again, a good sunscreen with good coverage and good protection, and which is all we need. PA++++. If you don't check that, then you are missing on checking good sunscreens. But yeah, so yeah, it comes in a very lightweight lotion type consistency. Doesn't leave any white cast, and light moisturizing. Yeah, it is moisturizing, so dry skin types can definitely make use of this moisture it gives. Nice. I can definitely see the gentle moisturization it has given me, and it has really gone into my skin like quickly. It is not over the top of my skin or watery or sticky. It is very nice texture. Next is this Maybelline Collagen liner. I have always tried their kajal but not the liner, so I was like, okay. And it had humongous amount of reviews, and I was like, okay, why haven't I tried this range yet, the liner range? So I was like, okay, let me get it, let me try it and tell my followers how it is. It is a little thicker than the other brushes I've used in the liners. So yes, but it will make a nice cat eye liner, and you can see how black it is, and it is very easy to apply with the brush it has, though it is thicker than the other brushes I tried, and it is brush tip. So yeah, pretty black, but it says it's bold liner. Yeah, it is bold, it is thick, so yes, it will make a bold liner easier than any fine liner. So that's what it says. This was the Mamaearth tinted moisturizing lip. I have always loved lip balms which are tinted and nice and moisturizing. So after the Benefit one, I wanted to try some indie brand. It smells good, and it is in a very nice thin stick. You can say thinner than the lipsticks. You can say it's very light tinted. I won't say it's very on the top kind of tinted. So yeah, a few layers and then you get the color. Also, it came in this kind of packaging which is really cute, very nice, and good quality. I really appreciate it. Good. So yeah, this was my beauty haul. Stay tuned for the fashion and accessories haul, which will be up in couple days before Diwali. Yes, do check it out because you will find some great deals वाले products, और वो products आप दिवाली के टाइम बाय कर सकते हो गिफ्टिंग के लिए, खुद के लिए. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो बेस्ट टाइम हो सकता है उसके लिए बिकॉज अमेजोन में बहुत अच्छी डील्स हैं. And if you have not checked those deals, then you're missing out. Do check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.